Introducing the Lift-On Home Lift. Elegant, stylish and simple. The ultimate upgrade for your home. Even when little accidents happen, you can rely on your Lift-On Home Lift to help out. Our technology lifts you out of the ordinary. Move easily between floors at the push of a button. Designed to focus on what you need, your Lift-On Home Lift will be an invaluable helper around the home. And with such a tiny footprint, it fits with your decor, whatever the style. The Lift-On Home Lift simplifies your life so you can continue to enjoy the home you love. Please visit us online or call us. Our professional consultants are always there to advise you.
This is probably the most common question we get asked. And because we have these simple but effective floor templates, it's easy to find the perfect spot for your stilts lift. If the template fits, so will the lift. Our unique rail design allows our lifts to fit almost anywhere, including many places
Choosing a home lift that's right for you and your home is an important decision. The Stilts Home Lift is the most versatile, stylish and cost-effective solution available on the market. Here's why. Our great looking lifts take up little room. and a unique rail design means they don't require a supporting wall. Tuck it in a corner, put it in a cupboard, place it in a stairwell void, or send it up to a mezzanine or landing. No other product gives you the same freedom and flexibility. Our unique drive system is quieter than many stair lifts, and there's no noisy hydraulics or vacuum systems to worry about. Standard remote controls allow you to use your stilts lift to move items such as laundry, vacuum cleaners, boxes, or anything else you need an extra pair of hands with. Stilts lifts include all the safety and convenience features you would expect, including a battery backup to lower the lift in a power cut, full or half height doors, obstruction sensors, a key lock to stop unauthorised use, an optional seat and grab bar. Instead, choose a Stilts Home Lift. Far more versatile and fun than a stair lift, they'll add significant convenience to your lifestyle with minimal running costs. Why build or move when there's no need to? Enjoy the style and luxury of a Stilts Home Lift.